We offer on-site, online, and in-house training, ensuring that your staff is well-versed in the use of our powerful software.
The training is fantastic, and it's very comprehensive. Having worked with the trainers for years and years, they know what they're doing pretty well.
MAPCON training I've attended twice, one on-site and one off-site. I was able to spend a week with a large group of actual maintenance managers from the ethanol industry and had a great time.
After we purchased the system, then the MAPCON trainers came and spent several days with us. We had to learn new things. So he spoke at our level until such time that we were brought up to speed, then we would go to the next section. I felt it just went very smooth.
I think the advantage of having it on site is you're working with your own system. You get to learn how to navigate or work in your own environment.
The training classes were really good, very thorough. Any questions that we had were answered with plenty of examples. Being able to work on it right in front of us and go through the entire system, it was really nice.
Training is kind of, in my mind, like going to a buffet. You take what you want, but you get a little bit more each time you go back to it. So there's always things that you've missed, and it's always valuable to go back and hit it again at some point.
Steve was very informative, very hands-on, and was able to give us the tools required to be successful when we went back to our field.